Meditation means sitting silently, doing nothing. Just being. The world is too much full of doing. The society teaches you to do this, to do that. Why? Because if you do this, you will have that. If you don't do this, you will not have that. Doing is a way of having more. And we are conditioned to have more and more and more. As if by having more, we will really be satisfied, contented. As if by having more, we will really become rich. The truth is just the opposite. The more you have, the more you feel your inner poverty. In contrast, the richer you become in the outside world, the emptier you feel inside, and no outer richness can fill the inner gap. Nothing from the outside can be taken in. You can have as much wealth as possible, but it will go on piling up outside you. And the bigger the heap, the more you will see your inner emptiness, nothingness, hollowness. The more miserable you will become. Hence, richer a society gets, more and more it becomes interested in religion. Poor societies cannot be religious. It is almost impossible. I am not saying a poor person cannot be religious. A poor person can be, but a poor society cannot be. A poor person may be an exception. Kabir was a poor man and attained to the highest peak possible, became a Buddha. But the poor society as such cannot be religious. The poor society remains interested in having more and more. And if you want to have more, you will have to do more. You will have to put your whole energy into doing. And meditation is just the opposite of doing. Meditation is a state of non-doing. It is a state of utter passiveness. It is a state of being. One simply is. And enjoying that simple isness. And then something starts happening inside without any doing on your part. Sitting silently, doing nothing, the spring comes and the grass grows by itself. Something starts growing in you. One thing, the most important thing in life is meditation. No education can be called real education. Even the word education simply means to draw out that is within you. This commune is educational because our effort is to draw out whatsoever is within you. And your so-called universities are not educational. They don't fulfill the requirement of being educational. They stuff people from the outside. They don't draw out. They force in. Even literally they are not educational. The whole effort in the educational, so-called educational institutions is to stuff people with more and more knowledge, Because knowledge will help them to do more and do more efficiently. And if they can do things more efficiently, they will have more things. This is what you call education. This is not real education. Real education will teach a person the most fundamental truth, that I am alone, that I come alone, that I will go alone, and between coming and going, I can deceive that I am not alone, but that is only a deception. Intrinsically, I remain alone. Aloneness is my intrinsic nature, so I have to fall in tune with it. I have to dive deep into it. I have to know what exactly it is. What is this aloneness? And it is tremendously beautiful. It is incredibly beautiful, unbelievably beautiful. When you enter in your aloneness, you start becoming aware of God. You start becoming aware of your treasures hidden within you. You start becoming aware of the kingdom of God that is within you. Kabir says you don't grasp the fact that what is most alive of all is inside your own house. But nobody teaches you. The whole teaching is go out, search for money, for power, for prestige, and they are not found within. Peace is found within. Silence is found within. Stillness is found within. Godliness is found within. But those are not the goals that you have been taught to fulfill. Those are not your targets. It is said of a great Sufi mystic, Bayezid, one day some people came to Sheikh Bayezid's door and knocked. He opened his upstairs window and looked out, saying, "What do you want?" "Ah," they said, "we are looking for Bayezid." He said, "Well, I have been looking for Bayezid for 10 years now, and I have not found him yet," and closed the window. This is what meditation is all about. Trying to find oneself.